In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Mobirise label from your site's HTML. This is a quick setting that helps keep your exported code clean and unbranded, which is especially useful if you're delivering work to clients or just want a more professional finish. First, open Mobirise and log in. Being signed in is important because the option we're enabling lives inside your account settings. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Next, head to the menu. You'll find it as the icon with 3 horizontal lines, typically in the corner of the app window. Click that to open the main navigation for your workspace. From there, select Account. This takes you to the area where Mobirise groups everything related to your profile and app preferences. Inside the Account section, click on App Settings. This is where you control how the app behaves and how your projects are exported. Now look for the option labeled Remove Mobirise from HTML. Enable this setting so the toggle is switched on. That's the key step. What this does is strip mentions of Mobirise from the underlying HTML of your exported pages. It won't alter your design, your blocks, or any visible content on the page. It simply cleans up the code by removing generator tags or comments that reference the builder. Once you turn this on, the change typically saves automatically. If you see any prompt asking you to confirm, go ahead and accept. From this point forward, when you publish or export your project, the generated HTML should no longer include the Mobirise name. If you've already published a site before enabling this, just republish or re-export to apply the change to the current files. A quick tip for peace of mind. After you export or publish, you can view your page's source in a browser to confirm the setting worked. You should no longer see references to Mobirise in the code. Also keep in mind that this option affects the HTML output itself. If a theme added any visible text that mentions the builder in your page content, that would be separate from this setting and can be edited directly in your project. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date. Different versions can place settings slightly differently, but it will be inside Account, then App Settings. And that's it. Log in, open the menu, go to Account, open App Settings, and enable Remove Mobirise from HTML. Your exports will look cleaner and more professional from now on.